Okay, what we got here, it's a pack of 2 barbecue grill mats or bottom of the oven liners. And it came with a little cute little basting brush here. Just a little silicone basting brush.
That's cool.
And they sent this to us so that we could check it out and show it to you. And I really was thinking for the barbecue grill, but we actually, since there's 2 in the package, which I didn't realize, we could actually put 1 in the bottom of the oven when we get back and use 1 for the barbecue grill.
Yeah, this is really nice because I'll tell you what, when we travel, we season it down in Arizona, and we were packing up the house to get ready to leave, and I was doing the kitchen, and then all of a sudden it's like, the oven, oh no. And I look in there and it's like, yeah, the bottom was a little bit greasy and yucky, and I'm like, oh, bummer. So I had to take time out to really scrub and clean that. Whereas if I had this in there, how easy peasy that would be to pull this out and just
wipe it down,
clean this, and then put it back in. You know, I used to use tin foil, and I heard that that wasn't good for the reflection and stuff in the oven and stuff when you're baking. So this is going to be great. I'm really impressed. And it's thin, so it's going to be easy to place in there and make sure it's in there in the right way. Yeah, really, really like this.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Woohoo!